Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Smartsheet for AI reporting automations easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Smartsheet website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button. Fill in the necessary details, including your email address and password. If you already have an account, click on the login button. Enter your login credentials and click sign in. Once logged in, navigate to the Smartsheet dashboard. In the top left corner, look for the Solutions drop-down menu. Click on Solutions, then select AI Reporting Automations. Read through the introduction to understand what AI reporting automations can do for you. Scroll down to the section detailing subscription options. Select the subscription plan that best matches your needs. You will be prompted to enter your payment details. Fill in your payment information carefully. After entering your payment details, review your order summary. Once everything looks correct, click on the Confirm Purchase button. Your subscription will now be activated, and you will be redirected to the dashboard. To set up AI reporting automations, click on the Automations tab in the menu. Explore the available templates for different types of reports. Select a template that suits your reporting needs. Follow the on-screen instructions to customize the automation settings. After customizing, click Save to finalize your automation setup. You are now ready to start using Smartsheet for your AI reporting automations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.